How to fix transaction error in Trust Wallet. I'm gonna open up the Trust Wallet app, and here up top click main wallet and click these three dots in the main wallet and change its name to whatever you want, and then click the check mark to accept the changes, and now check if your transactions are fixed. If they're not, go to the Play Store and search up Trust Wallet. Click on it and make sure that the app is updated. If you want to enable auto updates, click on the three dots, and as you can see, it's already checkmarked for me. Enable auto update. Now, if it still doesn't work, go to your settings, go to the apps, find the Trust Wallet, click on it, go to the storage, and make sure you clear data and clear cache. This will reset the app entirely, and you will have to connect your wallets again. And it should be fixed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.